Oh, damn. Yeah, we can. You know what happened the last time?
We haven't done that yet.
We'll do it in a minute. I gotta think about it. Well, I may or may not have had alcohol.
Might as well let him in on this.
And that song, In Fairness, is about 20 years old. And we did it, and it's very similar to a newer song that I do every single day in the same exact key. And went straight into the wrong chorus, singing the wrong chorus over the correct, chords.
It's called a mashup. That's
It was
exactly
a
right.
Sunny Sweeny mashup for sure. My God. We'll do this one first, and I'll think about the words on that one. The Billy Joe. Here's your Billy Joe Shaver song, y'all. So I owe a lot of my career to Billy Joe Shaver, I think, at least a very good portion, because he wrote what I think is one of the best country albums ever to be made by Waylon Jennings. And not until I got into music did I realize that Billy, I didn't realize songwriting and who wrote what, and that everybody that sang didn't write their own songs. I had no idea. So I started looking up, oh, this guy Billy Joe Shaver, he wrote this Honky Tonk Heroes album that I'm obsessed with, and anyway, I became a huge fan of Billy Joe, and we lost him last week. This is one of my favorite songs of his. It's called Ragged Old Truck.